Hi everyone, welcome to Flamboyant Flavors. I am Reena and in this video I'm going to show you how to make butter biscuits or Makhaniya biscuits with no butter. Yep, you heard me. These biscuits taste delicious when eaten with tea or coffee or just munch a couple of them as a snack. So let's dive in, but make sure to subscribe for new videos I post every week and don't forget to hit the like button. I use two kinds of flour to make these biscuits. First is white lily, unbleached self-rising flour. You see the packet says light baking flour. The lighter the flour, the better it rises. So take 1 cup of this white lily flour. It's very rare to find this flour in grocery stores, and this time I personally had to order it from Amazon too. Make sure to always swirl the flour using a spoon and then take out the flour into the measuring cup. And don't scoop out the flour directly from the container or a bag. And also don't press the flour in the measuring cup. That will not give you the accurate measurement. Second flour that I use is Pioneer brand Buttermilk baking mix. You can find this flour in Walmart or Kroger. If they don't have it on shelves, then they would definitely have it online. So take 3 cups of Pioneer brand Buttermilk baking mix. And for seasoning or adding flavor, add half teaspoon of cumin powder, 1 teaspoon of caraway seeds. Caraway seeds look exactly like whole cumin, but they taste really different. And there is no need to add salt because both flours already have salt in it. For the wet ingredients, I have 3/4 cup of water and 3/4 cup of vegetable oil. Now let's mix everything. Hey, if you're new to my channel, welcome! Please subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out any new videos I post every week. And don't forget to hit the like button. Make sure to watch the whole video because I'm gonna share out some really important instructions on adjusting the oven temperature and cooking time. Good thing about this dough is that it doesn't stick to your hand and it doesn't stick to the bowl as well. When you don't see any dry flour left, that means the dough is ready. Start the oven to preheat at 355 degrees Fahrenheit. I have my baking tray ready. Covering the tray with the aluminum foil is totally optional. Now start making really small balls like a bite size, and also they will puff up in the oven. So you don't want to make it too big. Lightly and gently roll the dough into a ball size. This is actually the perfect size. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do so and don't forget to hit that like button down below. Let's make the rest. You do want to make sure that you place them a finger apart because they puff up in the oven. Alright, so the tray is ready to go into the oven at 355 degrees Fahrenheit, but make sure that the oven is preheated. Biscuits will take 20 to 25 minutes to rise. And after 25 minutes, drop the oven temperature to 195 to 200 degrees Fahrenheit and leave it on the low temperature for about 2 to 2.5 hours. Take the biscuits out from the oven after 2.5 hours. Biscuits are nicely done from outside and golden brown at the bottom. These Makhaniya biscuits easily break and you can tell that they have really puffed up. If they are undone from inside, then put them back in the oven for a few more minutes on the low temperature until they are crispy from inside. I enjoy these butter biscuits or Makhaniya biscuits with tea when submerged in hot tea. It just melts in my mouth and it absolutely tastes amazing. They are very light and one can easily munch on few of them as a snack. So don't be afraid to make double batch of these biscuits and store it in the airtight container because they have a longer shelf life as well. I hope you like this recipe video and do leave me a comment if you make this butter biscuits or follow Flamboyant Flavors on Instagram. And don't forget to tag me there. Before I end this video, you know what to do. Please subscribe and hit that like button down below. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.